What's up guys, Samantha Caudle here, dancer, choreographer, and teacher here in LA, and today I'm teaching you a brand new combo. Today we're gonna do Gnarly by Cat's Eye, and it's the live version that I edited, so it's super extra fun. Today I've got the gorgeous Eden with me assisting again today because she is that girl. You guys loved her, so I'm bringing her back. And also, when we jump into this combo, please remember to have fun. If you're not having fun, what's the point? Last thing guys, please help me create more free content for you guys. So please subscribe down below. I really want to keep pushing all this free class and free training for you. And the only way I can do it is if we support each other. So please subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's hop into Gnarly. All right guys, let's hop into the combo. We already switched the camera for you. So our right hand is your right hand and our left hand is your left hand for easy learning. So you can just mirror and learn it as we go. Okay, so let's hop in. We start with a nice big jump. Hand is going out and pushing away on one. Yeah, so looking up and going, whoop, one, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, go, 1. Yes, left hand on the hip. So 1, we're gonna switch back in on 2 and go 2. To push out 3, 4. Yeah, and make this little frame with the thumbs. Let's try that from the top. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, nice and tight. From here, we're gonna go gang, and we go hands here, ta, ta, ta. Yeah, so hip switch, right, left. Yes. We've got a lot of these like rock star hands going on today. So we're matching that. When we frame out here, we go right, left. Yes, gorgeous. Let's add that on. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Yeah, right hand down, right hip out, and then switch. Yeah, one more. Lock it in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We go 2, 3, 4, gang. Yeah, from there, she's gonna take the right arm, swing it around, shoot, left hand to the hip and go here with 2 fingers. Gorgeous, yeah, come take center, Eden. So we go around, ha, and then we've got 2 poses to go pose. Anything you want, any level, any direction, pose freely. It's your pose. Just make sure they're nice and quick and crispy, okay? So we went around, we went from gang. We take this right hand around, shoo, ta, and then we go pose. Gorgeous, yes. Let's connect all of that from the top. How are we feeling, you okay? Yay! Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 6, 7, 8, pose. Gorgeous. One more just to lock it in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go 2, 3, 4, right, left, 6, 7, 8, gang. Yeah, good. If you need that again, just go on back to the video. We're gonna keep it pushing. So we got pose. You've got 2, 3, 4 to walk and get your life together from your pose. So Eden, give them a crazy pose. Give them a pose, crazy pose. Ready? Go. Pose, crazy pose, right. So if she's here, she's gonna take 2, 3, 4 to get up and snatch her life in so we can take a walk going front, yeah? So you've got 2, 3, 4 to get together in a right foot bevel, and then you're gonna walk forward and go, this song's so lame, ew, yes, 2 steps, ew, So we went from, let's go from gang. We're here, gang, 6, ta, we go pose, 2, get it together, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more from gang. So we go gang, and around, then we go pose, we get it together, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna lean over like you have a secret. Now you be like, yeah, and you just tell someone over there, now you be like. Last thing, you go from now you be like, and you got pose. That's 6 poses, yes. As crazy as you want to make them or as simple as you want to make them. The only thing I ask is every pose gets a little lower and a little closer to the ground. So we went from, this song's so lame, congratulations. Now you be like, first pose, 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 wherever that is. And then make sure that last pose is down on the floor because we're gonna go shoot out down onto the floor. Okay, let's take it back. Woo, you held that, girl. You held it. All right, let's take it back. Let's go from the top and just walk all that through nice and slow. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 6, 7, 8, pose, pose. 2, 3, walk it forward, go right, go left. Now you be like first pose, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Yes, good, 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 good. One more, let's go a little faster. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 6, 7, 8, pose, pose. 2, 3, walk it forward, right, and a left. And then now you be like pose, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous, good. All right, let's reset. Let's come on back, Eden, girl. So if you need that again, just go back, review that. Once we're done with this whole combo, we'll play it with music for you guys and we'll show you. And if you want any inspiration, I'll leave the link down below from when I taught this in class. Some groups killed it, so I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So if you want to see the full version in class, the link's down below, or you could wait till the end and we'll show you how it's done. And by we, I mean Miss Eden will show you, okay? So let's go on. So we went to that floor work. Reminder, your pose could be anything. We're shifting our weight on 1 to get to the knee on 1. Yeah, so we're here on all fours. This is 1. We're gonna tap 2, 3, and then we're gonna go out, in. Yeah, arching the back. So our hands come down on 1, tap 2, 3, we go 4, and from here we're gonna go arm, sit, up, look. Last thing, you go chest and, yes. And it's so quick, so it has to be so crispy, okay? So let's review. We go 1, hit 2, hit 3, hit 4, a hand, sit, up, look, chest, and. Good. Let's hit that one more time all together. We go, hands on 1, hit 2, hit 3, hit out, and base, 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 look, chest, yes. It's on that rant, 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 rant. It's quick. Let's try it a little faster. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4, base, 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 crispy, yes. Eat it, it's so good. Oh, good. So we got that. Our hands come down on 1, feet up on 2, going down on 3. And you have like this little Barbie hand going on to come shoot back up on 4. Yeah, so let's review that. Again, nice and crispy this whole way through. We just did chest and our hands come down 1, legs up 2, down 3, 4. From here, we're gonna go 3 head circles to the right, hands throw back. Yes. That's on everything's. Show them again, 5, 6, 7, go. Everything's, yep, to come in and go gnarly. And you can make a face or a vibe or anything like that. Yeah, everything's gnarly. So let's take it on back. Let's do all that floor work. We said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pose. We shift over, we go 1, hit 2, hit 3, hit out, in, hand, boom, ta, ta, chest, hands, feet, Barbie hand, 3, 4, we go, everything's gnarly. Yes, good. Good, good, good. We're almost done. Let's do that one more time. Let's finish out the combo and then we'll combine everything together, okay? So we went pose, 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 pose. We shift, go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4, base, 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 look, chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle 5, 6, and boom, ha. Good. This is my favorite part coming up, and we just run around like crazy people, like we're at a rock concert. Like, give me like, vibes. So we do that for 8 counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just have the best time, okay? We do that for 8 counts. Then we take 8 counts to kind of lift and go, Give me like jazz hands, give me like vibes, I don't know, quick feet. And it's just a feeling, right? So we go rock concert for 8 counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we go a quick and a quick and a quick and a quick. Yes. Makes sense? It makes sense to me. In my head, it makes sense. So we go quick and a quick and a quick and a quick. We step out on the right foot. Everything's gnarly, and we take that down. So one more. We lift up the head. Everything's chest, drop. She's gonna switch her weight and go to the left foot, shoo, and then kick that right leg out low. And then she's gonna step on that right leg and kick this left leg out and go boom on 2, like she's fighting someone. 2. Yes, and that's the whole combo for today. You learned it, you learned it, you learned it. Let's fix it. So we did all that crazy jumping around. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. We pick it up. Everything's gnarly. Right and a left. Ha. Yes, we're hitting on 2. So everything's gnarly. This is 1 and a 2. Yes, she says, boom, hottie, hottie. Yeah, arms here like you're fighting. Yeah. Good, let's go a little faster, that same part. So jumping around, rock concert. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Go, everything's gnarly. Right and a left. Ha! You should feel very powerful, very strong after this piece. Okay. Woo. Let's take it on back. Let's take it from the floor work to there, and then we'll go back from the top. Let's go super slow from the floor work. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go. A 1, 2, 3, out in hand, and boom, ta, chest, a hand, up, drop, up. Everything's gnarly. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we go. Quick feet, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. Lift and a drop. Down, go right, go left. Gorgeous. You okay, girl? Okay. You're putting in the work today. This is my 5th time teaching this week, so I'm like, Eden's got it. Eden's got it this week. She's got the dance this week. Okay, let's take it on from the top. Slow, medium, fast music. Here we go. Ready? Let's take it from the top. We go 5, 6, 7. We go a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. 6, 7, 8. Gang, gang. 2, 3, 4. Walk 5 and a 7. We go. Whisper, gang. Gang, 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 gang. Here we go, new part. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. A bass, bass, chest, a boom, a hands, up, drop, and circle, and gnarly. Rock, concert, live your best life. 5, 6, 7, we go. Quick feet. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Drama, everything's gnarly. Right and a left. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go, medium. Let's get it. Reminder, if you guys have seen this music video, like it's weird. It's meant to be a bit weird. It's meant to be very extra. So think about your facials and your performance as you're doing this. It's not meant to look so cute or like hot girl. It's meant to look a little weird and a little fun and a little extra. Okay, so. Here we go. Ready? Medium. We go. 5, 6, 7. We go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. 6, 7, 8. Gang, gang. 2, 3, 4. Walk 5. Walk 7. Now you be like pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're there. 1. Hit 2. Hit 3. Hit 4. A bass, bass, bass. Look, chest. A 1, 2, 3. Go. Everything's gnarly. Rock concert. 2, 3. Having fun. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Lift. Everything's gnarly. Go 1. Hottie, hottie. Good. right, so let's go fast from the top. You guys ready? Come on, let's go. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, gang, gang. 6, 7, 8, pose, pose. 2, 3, 4, walk, 5. Big steps, here we go. Now you be like, pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, up, base, 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 look, chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle and let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lift and a drop down, right, and let's get it. Feel free to freestyle this intro. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go. Gang, gang. Party, let's go. Lift. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking class with Eden and I. Thank you so much for helping us and assisting me today. If you guys want to see the original class video, again, I have it linked down below. You'll also hear the music, the live version that I edited in that video as well. Speaking of videos, would love to see what you guys learned today. Please make sure you send me your progress. I would love to see it, whether it's via DM or on Instagram or Reels or whatever. Just please tag me. Make sure I can see it so I can love on you and give you critiques at home. I know we're all training at home and working on things, so I can definitely help you if you show me that video. So I would love to see what you learned today. As a reminder, guys, I do these completely for free for you, so please subscribe and help support the channel and creating completely free content. And if you guys are ever in LA, I am here teaching every Sunday and Wednesday at Playground, along with privates and things like that. But thank you guys so much for taking class with us today, and I will see you in the next completely free tutorial. Bye, guys.